Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this portable push button weekly pill organizer. Works for 2 times a day, which is your AM and PM for 7 days. Alright, so right here we have this medication pill organizer. This is an upgrade bouncing design. The flexible push button designs to make it easy in opening. Superior quality. The durable rubber hinge ensures long lifespan. So you can see right here they have little festive colors. You've got the pink, red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, and you have purple. So here's this little nice case that is superior. There's all your colors and your days. And then you can see the clip right here. You got to push down. Then you push up to lock it. So this is BPA free. The BPA Free ABS plastic pill holder ensures safe usage. It does have premium silk paint. The wear-proof silk paint ensures no blurry icons on either side. So this one here is the Sunday. You can see it's nice size. It can hold up to a few pills in here. They just clip open just like that. You push these little buttons. So you have your morning and you have your evening. These are portable. These are a handy box, easy to bring around. This pill box does come with a free app that does not have any annoying ads. So it reminds you to take your medication. So here is the Monday. These are the orange ones for Monday. Then you just pop these open just like that. And then you just close them by snapping them closed like this. So like I said, you do have these festive colors. This is the Tuesday, which is yellow. So this is a great way to manage your medication schedules in a smart way. These large containers are for twice a day, so each daily pill. So if you have to take medications in the morning and an evening, these are a great thing to have. The rubber hinges, which control and maintain longer usage than plastic ones. It can stand up to 10,000 times of use, free from you worried about broken hinges or poor opening. The silk paints on the rainbow pill container won't rub off easily. They make of high-end printing tech and would last long enough. So you can see they just pop open just like that. The great thing I like about this is they are BPA free. The pill holder is made of food grade BPA materials and the outer cases are made of BPA free ABS plastic, which is safe to store for your daily pills. So now these are the Saturdays. Just pop them open like that. They can hold a few pills in here. They just close like that. Just close this one here like that. They just snap in there. And then when you want to open up, you just lift this right here and it just snaps right open. You don't have to worry about your medication falling over. As long as you don't push those little buttons, they should not open up or fall out of your medication. And it's got a nice little carrying case. So if you're on vacation and you need to take your pills along, this is a nice thing to have. And it does tell you for your Sunday through Saturday. So you have a weekly supply to put your medication in here. If you want to do double up, you can do 2 weeks, which this would allow you to do that.